Eric Peterson with Arborist here. Today's weekly business tip was written by Margaret E. Bear and Dawn Thierbach and talks about the importance of having a properly stocked first aid kit. Now, throughout the article, they have a list of items that you should have in your first aid kit, but obviously the kit is the very first step in injury response on the job site that allows you to triage and help your employee, injured team member, right there on the spot before the paramedics get there. It's vital that you make sure that your first aid kit is well stocked and continues to be fresh so that you do know what's in there and what's not in there. So please take a look at the article, read through the list, and double check with your first aid kits to make sure you have all these necessary items in there. It also is a great tailgate safety meeting topic, or even a longer trauma or triage topic when you're doing your first aid CPR, making sure your first aid kits are well stocked. For any more information on how to keep your safety culture and your employees safe as possible, please reach out to a team member. Today we have a great safety package through our Thrive Risk Management program that would work with you one-on-one, so to help you build that better safety culture. So thanks again, and remember, please be safe out there.